5 Things You Probably Did Not Know About Prophet T. Freddy. T. Freddy, full name Tapiwa Freddy, is a Zimbabwean self-proclaimed prophet and gospel musician based in Harare. He is the founder and leader of Goodness and Mercy Ministries, GMM, which he established in 2005. The church was founded in Glenview, a high-density suburb in Harare, where its headquarters are located. Freddy is most known for spiritual spectacles, a claimed miracle where he prays for an individual and immediately their eyes are anointed with a spiritual eye where they can prophesy on their own. Children. As of May 1, 2020, T. Freddy has 5 children, 4 daughters and a son named Kalen T. Freddy, who was born in 2020. He attended high school at Glenview High II and Royal College. After school, he enrolled for Bible school at Soul Travailing Bible Institute from 2010 to 2012 and proceeded to his Presence Ministries where he would pastor and singer. In March 2021, T. Freddy revealed that he was studying towards a BSc degree in Sociology and Gender Development Studies at Women's University in Africa, WUA Music. In 2019, T. Freddy dominated the music charts, with his video Kostep Kenyasha, which won the Best Gospel Video on the ZBC TV Top 50. It was also 6th on overall positions. The track was number 1 on Radio Zimbabwe Gospel Charts, while Nezero Hasi Nasi, which features Matthias Meir, was number 47 on Star FM charts. On National FM Top 50, Bag topped the charts while Munyamo Igonzo was 2nd in Radio Zimbabwe's Coca-Cola Top 50 and 3rd on Diamond FM. Besides being a musician, Tapiwa Freddy also supports other musicians. In 2019, T. Freddy sponsored the Gospel 20 on Radio Zimbabwe. In January 2019, T. Freddy bought Baba Harare's album Ramba Wakajvanya for $7,000. At one time he bought Agatha Murad's CD for $5,000. 5 Trivia. In February 2016, Freddy introduced a so-called anointed soap for female members of his church. He claimed the anointed soap, which was called Eva soap, would help of bringing back lost lovers and igniting lost sexual passion among couples that are growing distant. Freddy said the female congregants just had to wash their underwear with the soap or use it for bathing, ensuring that the soap passes where he has lost interest. Church demolition. In April 2020, Goodness and Mercy Ministries and 2 other churches in Glenview were demolished by City of Harare. The places of worshipping were among structures believed to have been illegally erected and not contributing revenue to Harare City Council. The places of worshipping were among structures believed to have been illegally erected and not contributing revenue to the city fathers. Tapiwa Freddy expressed displeasure by the council's move in ending their relationship. Controversies. Snatching church member's wife. In 2013, Tapiwa Freddy was accused by a friend and fellow church member Brighton Kamwaza from Southerton of reportedly snatching his wife. T. Freddy and Brighton had an altercation over the issue, forcing Brighton to attack his pastor, leading to his arrest and subsequent appearance in court. For that reason, Tapiwa Freddy dragged Brighton to Mbeere Magistrates Court where he faced an assault charge. Brighton denied the allegations before Magistrate Stanford Mambanj, who remanded him out of custody to February 25 for his trial. The two were involved in a love triangle in which Brighton alleged that Tapiwa Freddy snatched his wife. On February 6, 2013, T. Freddy and Brighton met at Tapiwa's place of residence. At the height of the altercation, Brighton picked a stone and hit Freddy on the forehead. As a result of the attack, Tapiwa sustained a deep cut as evidenced by a medical affidavit that was obtained. Allegations are that Brighton had a dispute with his wife and T. Freddy took advantage of the circumstances before snatching the woman, where he started renting a house for her somewhere else. 8 Exam cheating. In March 2021, T. Freddy was allegedly caught in an exam cheating storm. A classmate told Zim Morning Post that Tapiwa Freddy smuggled a mobile phone into the exam room at Women's University in Africa and he mistakenly dropped it from his lap and walked out of the room in shame. T. Freddy was writing a theology exam when he was allegedly found wanting. University authorities refused to comment on the matter. 9 In a statement, Prophet T. Freddy responded to the report that he had cheated in an exam. He said he was studying towards a BSc degree in Sociology and Gender Development Studies, adding that Women's University in Africa, WUA, does not offer a theology degree. The self-styled prophet also said his lawyers have since written to Zim Morning Post to issue a retraction and an apology as their story has since gone viral on social media. Freddy threatened to take legal action if his demands were not met in 48 hours. 3. Affair with Rotendo Makuti. Freddy had an affair with ZBC and Radio Zimbabwe presenter Rotendo Makuti. Makuti was arrested in November 2021 on charges of extorting popular Harare preacher Freddy, with whom she had a relationship. She appeared at the Harare Magistrate Court on November 12, 2021 before Magistrate Shuneshu Matova, who remanded her to December 9 for routine remand. Makuti, who was represented by Tinashe Umbala, was released on $5,000 bail and ordered not to interfere with state witnesses. Makuti and Freddy had a love affair, and while they were together, she allegedly started threatening him that if he did not meet her financial and material demands, she would expose the affair to the public. In August 2021, Freddy was summoned by Chief Chikwaka to his homestead, but after he was tipped off that there might be some police officers who wanted to extort money from him, he then left without entering the chiefly homestead. He made a U-turn and sought to return to Harare, but was stopped by some police officers who were manning a roadblock and was forced to get back to the chief's homestead. The chief allegedly accused him of raping Makuti and of sleeping with her before a year had lapsed since the death of her husband, violating traditional norms. Freddy promised to pay $15,000. In addition, the chief ordered him to pay 3 goats, and Freddy promised to return at a later date with the money and the goats. The chief allegedly made Freddy Pastor sign an agreement which was authored by an Inspector Jaji. Upon their return to Harare, Makuti told Freddy to hand over the $15,000 to her personally, since she is the one who was aggrieved. He handed over a Mercedes-Benz E250 valued at $15,000. It is alleged after some days, Makuti started threatening Freddy again, saying his secretary Nalan Mundaro had insulted her, so she wanted compensation of $20,000. On November 11, 2021, Makuti's brother demanded that he pays up the $20,000 and that he signs an acknowledgement that he had raped her, failure which would result in him exposing their affair. Freddy reported the matter to the police. Makuti was arrested after she was lured to meet with Freddy purportedly to discuss the payment of the $20,000. The $15,000 was recovered. 10-11 Rape allegations. In November 2021, the Zimbabwe Republic Police opened a rape investigation after a woman claimed she was raped by Freddy. The woman alleged that Freddy forced himself on her several occasions after her husband died in 2019. The alleged victim, who made a police report on November 13, 2021, told investigators she delayed reporting the attacks, which began in 2020 out of fear of Freddy, a man of means who has a large following. An internal police memo seen by Zim Live said the woman has been referred to Pereira Nyatwa Hospital for a medical examination, with Freddy expected to be picked up for questioning. The woman told police that sometime in November 2019, her husband fell ill and she sought spiritual assistance from Freddy. After prayers, the man's health did not improve. Freddy invited the complainant to his workplace and gave her $2,500 to ferry her husband to Karanda Hospital for medical attention. However, barely a week later, the complainant's husband died in hospital and Freddy offered assistance towards the burial. The woman told police that months later, but in 2020, Freddy proposed love to her and she turned him down. Freddy asked the woman if he could visit her son in the rural areas, to which she agreed. He returned to Harare with the son, arriving at the woman's Mount Pleasant Heights home in the evening. Freddy allegedly told the woman that it was late and asked to stay the night. It is alleged that Freddy slept on the woman's bed while she sat on a chair. Moments later, he allegedly went over to her, forcefully lifted her and placed her on the bed before raping her without using protection. It is alleged the preacher repeated the visits to the woman's residence and raped her each time. Freddy denied the rape allegations, saying his accuser was trying to extort him.